Nature's more important on a sunny day. Oh, hear the birds chirping. Am I right, Keegan? Am I right, Nico? Oh, oh, oh. And subscribe to my channel, because it's beautiful outside. Right, Keegan? Am I right, Peekaboo? Yeah, it's so beautiful outside. Am I right, Keegan? Right to my right, hear the birds chirping in the air. Right, Keegan?
Yeah.
And we go. It's a beautiful day outside. Hear the birds chirping and it's raining. Hear the birds chirping. Bye, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification. Bye. I don't know how to say it.